9, 3, 2, 1, go!
And all 6 of our robots start the match off on the move. Project Bucephalus on blue, first to score, placing one and now a second coral on that top level. They're back to the station, and they come back with a third. Not quite releasing it before being autonomous, but now as the drivers take control, they will complete that score. Back on the Red Alliance, they have 4 pieces of coral scored themselves, soon to be a 5th from Deus Ex Machina. It is Red who has the lead, up by 12 points. They'll be facing some defense from the Robodors. Currently in a pushing match with 71. That leaves Robotics free to score, adding a 4th piece of coral to that middle level. And across field, we see much the same thing playing out. Eco Robotics on the Blue Alliance, facing some defense from the Baybots. But likewise, that leaves Project Bucephalus free to work on scoring. Blue Alliance pulling a little bit closer towards Red's lead. They have 5 coral already on the top level. Robotics coming in, looking to add another. Back on Red, Robotics adding a 5th piece themselves to level 3. Back at the coral station, another one on board, making their way over, and now they and their alliance partners, 5171, both free, temporarily seeing a reprieve from Robodor's defense. Red starting to pull ahead again with a minute left. Blue is looking to make up ground. Eco Robotics, they score that coral they have on board, but they're having a difficult time making it to their human player to get another one. Eventually, though, they manage to make it around Baybot's defense, grab that coral, bring it back, where it falls to land in the trough. Back on Red, the reef is starting to fill up. Robodor is defending Robotics this time, but that leaves Deus Ex Machina free to score, placing that coral on the top level. And as Robodors pursue them, this time it is Robotics. And as we hit the 20-second mark, we are into the end game now. On blue, we see 2 robots under the barge already. 10 seconds left. The Robotics has a hold of a cage. They're lifting themselves up into the air. 5 seconds left. And 5171 rushing into the air for Red. And their alliance partners, Baybots, come into park. The Red Alliance making it by a score of 112 to the Blue Alliance's 80. Red Alliance picking up 5 ranking points with that victory, while the Blue Alliance earned 1. And now for another look, let's send it over to the desk.